Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Wow, word of wings. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about Guru Purnima. Why do we celebrate Guru Purnima? What are its significance? India is a sacred land where people of different religions celebrate festivals according to their customs and practices. The first full moon day in the Hindu month of Ashada, which usually comes on July or August, is celebrated as Guru Purnima. In Sanskrit, Guru is a spiritual teacher who spreads knowledge and takes us from darkness to light. Guru Purnima is also called as Ashada Purnima or Vyasa Purnima. Guru Purnima is a festival where many Hindus, Buddhists, and Jains celebrate and respect their Guru as a spiritual guide. On Guru Purnima, people worship to the entire Guru Parampara, beginning from Lord Shiva, Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Vedavyasa, Jagadguru Sri Adi Shankaracharya, Sadguru, Sai Baba, and the other Guru who flourish their knowledge for a better mankind. During ancient times in India, the Guru held a very prominent place in the lives of their Shishyas. There was a special bonding between the Guru and Shishya. This is a popular phrase in the Sanskrit which gives more importance to Guru. Mata, Pita, Guru, Daivam, which means first comes mother, father, Guru, and then the God. If we look upon the history, we will find an answer how Guru Purnima has so much of importance in the Hindu religion. Long time ago, there were four men who were seeking answers for their confusions. The first one who was unhappy and wanted to know how to get rid of this. The second one wanted to know how to get progress and success. The third one wanted to know the meaning of his life. The fourth one had all success and knowledge, but he was still lagging in something and didn't know what it was. So that four people were seeking for the answers. And they all met in one place. At that place, they found a young man sitting under a banyan tree. Young man was sitting with a big smile on his face. The four people went near to the young man who was sitting under a banyan tree with a smile. He did not say a word, but all the four got what they wanted. This is the first story of Guru Purnima. That was full moon day on the month of Ashada. This is how the Guru Parampara started. All the four people became Guru. They all got what they wanted. The first man got his happiness. The second man found way to success. The third man stopped seeking. The fourth man, who was knowledgeable, got a guru to express himself. They all had inner connection with Guru, so that Guru can remove all the negatives and bring happiness with freedom. So on this day we worship all the Gurus and celebrate festival. It is also believed that Lord Buddha has given his first teaching to their followers on the full moon day, after achieving enlightenment under the Bodhi tree. From that day, the followers of Buddha celebrate this day to worship Gautama Buddha. Even Lord Shiva has transmitted his learnings of yoga to Saptarishis or seven sages on this day. Guru Purnima is also known as Vyasa Purnima because it was believed that writer of a great epic Mahabharata, Saint Vedavyasa, was born on this full moon day. On this auspicious day of Guru Purnima, we celebrate by taking blessings of our Gurus and offer them Dakshina. We can chant Sai Charitra, Datta Bhagavan Stotras, Shiva Puranam. We can also offer yellow clothes and sandalwood, yellow pulses at the temple or to the people who are in need on this day. Many people even fast for the whole day by eating only fresh fruits and curds. And they complete their fasting only after performing evening puja. So, friends, in this video, we have seen the significance of Guru Purnima and how to celebrate Guru Purnima. Guru is also equal to Triveda, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. As per the Hindu culture, Guru is considered as someone who shows the path and leads us in the right direction. By chanting this mantra, we shall show respect and take blessings from all our parents, teachers, and elders who gives us knowledge and shows a right path to reach all our goals. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. See more details in the description. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the bell icon. Like us, share and comment in the comment box. We'll see you in the next interesting video. Thank you. पूज्याय राघवेन्द्राय सत्यधर्मरथाय च भजतां कल्पवृक्षाय नमतां कामधेनवे।